Now let us go through some more prepositions. Since is used before a noun denoting at a point of time. Example, it is raining since yesterday. From is used for some point of time. Example, he will come here from tomorrow. In is used before a noun denotes before the end of the time. Same is for within. Example, he will return in an hour, or you can also say she will return within an hour. Beside means by the side of. Example, he laid beside the chair means he laid next to the chair. But besides has a different meaning. It means in addition to. Example, besides his children, there were present his nephews and nieces. Then is a conjunction, but it is sometimes used as a preposition. Example, I cannot accept less than rupees 3 for this piece. Next one is but. Is a conjunction, but used as a preposition. It means except. Example, she returned all his gifts but one. Next one, oh, is used as a preposition. Example, I meet him once a week. Now we will go through the exercise. Pick out the prepositions from the following sentences. First one, little Jack Honor sat in a corner. Here in is a preposition because it shows the position where he sat. Next one, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So here on is a preposition. Next one, she sat by the fire. Next one, the cow is sitting under a tree. He hid behind the door. We cannot live without water. The wheel of the cart came off. I have eaten nothing since yesterday. He rushed into my room. Beware of dogs.